Megan, a first-year podiatry student, embodies the spirit of seizing opportunities. As class president for student government, she is making the most of her time here. Midwestern University is never short on opportunities for their students. Megan, please tell us what you've been up to. Take it away.
Thanks, Alex, for the introduction. My journey has been far from the straightforward path. I'm a non-traditional student, and I was the first in my family to attend college. After college, I decided to pursue a master's in biomedical science here at Midwestern, and now I attend podiatry school here to become a foot and ankle surgeon. I've met amazing people who have become lifelong friends, including my future husband. What's neat about Midwestern is the open door policy. Faculty take the time to meet with students, help us understand course material, and prepare us for tests. Midwestern even provides free tutoring. The master's program taught me how to balance my coursework while working on a research project in a physiology lab studying pregnancy. I had to write a thesis which involved running experiments by collecting data, performing data analysis, and giving quarterly presentations. I had the opportunity to travel across the United States to present my research at a conference. Now, in the podiatry program, the small class size allows for more one-on-one mentoring and learning skills like how to do new sutures and how to improve surgical techniques. Many of the podiatry faculty still work in the field, which is helpful with providing patient care when we're in the school clinic. We also get helpful advice from doctors with what works best for them in the operating room. Midwestern University truly feels like home, and I learned to never give up on my dreams. As I dive into medical school, challenges are everywhere, but now I'm doing it with the incredible support from faculty and moving closer to my dream of becoming a podiatric surgeon. It feels like I've joined the Olympic team, being trained by the best to prepare me for the podiatric profession. Back to you, Alex.
Wow, Megan, medical school can be challenging, but with Midwestern's support and the access you have to such amazing opportunities, there's no doubt you'll be a great podiatrist. Thanks for sharing and continued success, Megan. Take care.